how to buy Robux in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Robux in Roblox. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just tap on the Roblox icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. So here simply tap on it, and after that on the next page you will see several Robux packages available. So there you can just select the amount of Robux that you want to buy, and after that you can just tap on it. And once you do that, you can simply select your payment method such as credit debit card, Google Play balance, or gift card, or PayPal, and once you're done with it, you can simply confirm your payment. And after that, the Robux will be added to your Roblox account instantly. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.